Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name's Bri, and if you're not, welcome back. So for today's video, we are in my kitchen because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some bomb AF mango margaritas. So I actually saw a video similar to this on TikTok and I had to try it out. I'm not sure what the girl's name was or person. I don't even know if it was a girl. So I can't give her credit, but I did see on TikTok. It was pretty similar. I don't know if it's exactly the same. But when I made this, I think last week or a couple weeks ago, I had so many questions on my Snapchat asking me what it was, how I made it, what were the ingredients. So I figured why not just film the video and show you guys the recipe, because it looks like we're going to be in quarantine for a lot longer. So might as well just turn to alcohol because I think that's what we're all doing at this point. Keep in mind that I am going to be doubling this recipe because I'm making two, but I am going to put like the ingredients in the description box just for one. That way you guys can double it, triple it, quadruple it on your own if you guys need to. As far as the tequila, that's pretty much al gusto, and you can put as much tequila as you want. I'm pretty sure on the TikTok video it was like 1 shot per margarita, but you can put as much as you want. So if you guys would like to see how I make these mango margaritas, just keep watching. Okay guys, so in my blender I have 2 mangoes in there. Obviously they're going to be blended so they don't have to be cut super perfectly. Next up, we're going to be doing 1 cup of orange juice. Keep in mind, as I said in the intro, this recipe is doubled. Next up, we're gonna be doing 3 cups of ice. Now we're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is the tequila we're gonna be adding. What tequila are we using?
Centenario from Mexico.
Show the label. The Mexico label.
On your real shit, 2 shots. Right?
Now we're just gonna blend this all together. These are the glasses we're going to be using. Obviously these aren't like margarita glasses, but if you guys have better ones, go ahead and use those. We're just using like these big wine ones. It still looks cute in there, so we make it work. Hopefully TJ Maxx opens soon so I can get me some different ones, but I feel like this is the most important part. So what we're gonna do first is that I added some chamoy and Tajin in this plate. This is just the chamoy that we used. You can pretty much get whatever kind you want. We just went to like our local Mexican store and bought. And Tajin, if you don't know what this is, then we can't talk. I don't know you. What are you doing with your life? So now we are going to be putting this in the chamoy, and you really want to put it all over the rim. And then now you just want to put it in your Tajin. So this is what it should look like. So now this next step is pretty much what's gonna make it look really pretty. So you wanna grab your chamoy and you wanna put it all over inside your glass. I kinda just like squeeze it and swirl it around. This is what you want your glass to look like. Next up, you wanna grab your Tajin and just put it all in there. Okay guys, so that's what your cups are gonna be looking like. And now you just want to grab your margarita and pour it in there. At how delicious that looks. Oh my god. Just for decoration, I just like to add a little bit on top. Oh my god, you guys, they look so freaking fire. They're so good. I promise you guys, you're gonna love them. And obviously you can put less chamoy, less tajin, or more, however you guys like, but this is just pretty much the basics. Okay guys, so I figured out a way how to stand my tripod a little bit higher, that way I can be standing. But there it is, there you have it, the bomb AF mango margaritas.
Super good.
So let me know if you guys try this recipe at home. Send me pictures if you do. It's super easy and super bomb. It's especially good right now when the weather's getting nicer. It is fire. And I'm pretty sure, I haven't tried it, but maybe you can even use a mango. That way you can make it a little bit easier. I'm sure that will taste the same. Try it out, let me know. Also, let me know what video you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is linked down below. We'll see you guys real soon. Cheers!